Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mask in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, we'll create a shape that will act as a mask for our image. On the left toolbar, select the rectangle tool or click and hold it for other shape options. For this tutorial, I'll use an ellipse. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. If you want a perfect square or a perfect circle in my case, hold down the Shift key while dragging. Once your shape is in place, add the image you want to mask. Open your image file by going to File, and then select Place Embedded. You'll see the image appear as a new layer above your shape layer. Resize it if needed so that it covers the entire shape. To clip the image to the shape, make sure the image layer is directly above the shape layer in the Layers panel. Then, hover your mouse between the two layers. Hold down the Alt key, and you'll see the cursor change to a square with a down arrow. Click once, and your image will be clipped to the shape. Now, only the parts of the image within the shape will be visible. If the image isn't positioned exactly how you like, you can move it around by selecting the Move tool at the top of the toolbar and clicking and dragging the image. You can also resize it by pressing Ctrl-T to bring up the transform controls. Then adjust the size by dragging the corners of the bounding box. And that's how you create a mask in Photoshop using clipping masks. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.